Right at the top of this edition of The 8, after the charge made by Ashok Khemka, Times now decided to get to the bottom of things and followed the entire trail of the deal between Robert Vadra and DLF. And what caught the eye was the Huda Express service. Shamsher Khan joining us live on the story and with the details. Shamsher, you've tracked everything down. What catches the eye is the speed at which things were put in place to help Robert Vadra, isn't it?
That's right, Anand, and Huda government has shown, amazing speed in processing his request for granting him license. He applies for a license to colonize this piece of land of 3.5 acres. He gets a letter of, he applies it on 10th of March 2008, and within just 18 days, on 28th of March 2008, he gets a letter of intent from the Town and Country Planning Department. Within just 18 days, remember, although there is a statutory provision that the department has to respond within 90 days, but here it is express service. Clearly, as you mentioned, it took just 18 days, and these 18 days, this permission letter of intent for grant of license, which was issued to Skylight Hospitality Limited, it was very crucial because it jacked up the price of this piece of land of 3.5 acres from 7.5 crores, which Robert Vadra had paid for buying this land, to 58 crore rupees, a phenomenal rise of over 600%. And this is very, very crucial. And normally these kind of permissions do not come easy, even for big builders. But here we see an amazing speed was shown in granting this license. However, the department maintains that this was only a letter of intent and wasn't a full-fledged license, and the license, they said, came much later in December 2008. Now they are saying it, but then the letter of intent is sufficient to convince somebody that, okay, the department is ready to grant you this license to develop this locality, provided you fulfill some other additional conditions. Here, Robert Vadra got this letter of intent, and this land, which was bought for 7.5 crore rupees, it suddenly its price jumped up to 58 crore rupees. So this is how these substantial gains were made. Now the Haryana government, of course, will come out with some sort of explanation as to why this haste was shown. Was it to benefit?
Yes, Shamsher, just stay with us. Shamsher, there is a reaction that's come from the Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister, Chattar Singh. Let's just play that out and I'll come back to you.
Please ask the department concerned.
No,
I can't.
You were handling those files at that point of time.
I don't handle anything. I am working in the Chief Minister's office.
But in the Chief Minister's office, you were handling.
Ask the Chief Minister or the department. I can't answer your questions. Thank you.
But sir, can you please also tell the country and town planning to clarify?
I do not remember everything like this. I comment on anything that is in your mind or you are asking me.
Can we come some point of time?
I am not authorized to tell you. Let the department, because we get the files from the department.
Yes, that is what we were saying,
yes,
sir, that
yes.
you were handling those files in the CMO.
Yes, all of us working in the CMO, we handle files. But these files are coming from the department, going to the department.
So you don't remember?
All decisions, obviously, how can I remember? How can I remember?
But is everything done in accordance with rules?
Everything is done in accordance with rules and law.
Any favors were granted to Robert Vadra or his company, sir?
Not to my notice.
No
favor to anyone.
Absolutely sure about that, sir?
No favor to anyone. How do I put it?
Would you like to say anything on the latest thing?
I do not want to comment on anything else, but this much I can tell you that whatever we do is according to the law.
Shamsher, we heard Mr. Chattar Singh there saying that there were no favors that were handed out to anyone. But does everybody get their things approved in such express time? Or was there an express service in place, courtesy the Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Huda, for Robert Vadra?
Well, Anand, it is very difficult to say conclusively anything, but in this case, certainly, given this chronology I'm holding in my hand, this paper is the chronology of this entire case, which is prepared by the Town and Country Planning. It is their document which shows that within just 18 days, this letter of intent was issued to Robert Vadra's company, Skylight Hospitality. And we don't think, in normal case, this kind of speed is not shown. So one gets a sense as if, Huda government was perhaps working at overspeed it is not the normal speed at which things work, of course, because it was a matter of Robert Vadra, VIP. So perhaps a VIP treatment, it seems as if it has been given to him. And although the government, the department now says it wasn't the license, full-fledged license came much later in December, the department is maintaining now. But then the letter of intent was crucial enough to jack up its price, and it is evident from the fact that Robert Vadra received the first payment of 5 crore rupees on 3rd of June itself, even before the license was granted, according to the department, which meant that letter of intent was enough to jack up the price to 58 crore rupees. And Robert Vadra had received, about 50 crore rupees before the license was later renewed once again for another period of 1 year. So, it seems as if, if rules were not bent, it is difficult to say as of now convincingly, but
Right.
this amazing speed was certainly shown in this case.